Hey haulers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a shoe haul. So I have found all these great shoes lately, and this is accumulation of maybe like a month's worth of shopping. So here we go. It is Valentino. So I got all of these on sale. And the first one are these sneakers. Oh my god, how cute are they? These are the V-Punk with the white leather with the black leather straps. And on the back of the shoe, there is these rock studs. How cute is that? These are so adorable. I love them because there are no shoelaces. It's just this leather strap, and they have this buckle here, and it's adjustable so you can make it tighter or looser. Yeah, I just love these. I haven't worn them yet, but I'm super excited. These are so cute. So stinking cute. And it comes in multiple colors as well. Okay. Next one up. Are these beauties. How gorgeous is this? These are the mini rock studs in the pump. And the front has this metallic. And these are just so stinking pretty. Aren't these gorgeous? I just love how there's studs all the way around, and it's just so beautiful. I think they call these the Mary Jane pumps, and there's also a strap here with an adjustable buckle as well, and a strap in the back. So this is great because it keeps your shoe nice and like comfortable because you can strap them in. Love, love, love. Okay. And then we have these gorgeous beauties. These are a cream color ballet slipper or ballet shoe. And it's pointy in the front. And these are flats. And the way you wear these is that you strap them around your ankle, as so. And it's the grommets, like that. These are so pretty. The leather is so soft. It's like butter. And it has this strap. And again, it's adjustable here. You can adjust the sizing. So you wrap this around your ankle. You wear it as such. And it's just so pretty. I absolutely love these. And I love that it's a flat. And then last but not least, okay, so I also ended up getting these. You just saw the pump version. These are the flats. And I think these are great for walking around the city because they're flats and they still have like this beautiful polished look. Is the pointy metal in the front with the mini rock studs. Again, these are the Mary Janes. So it has the leather strap and the buckle. So yeah, let me show you this side by side with the other ones. So this one is with the heel pump, and these are the flats. So you can see slightly different. But yeah, these you can wear dressed up like to going out for dinner or a wedding or girls' night, date night. But these you can also do that too, even though they're flats, because they're just as dressy. But thank you for watching my shoe haul. I hope you like unboxings like this, and if you like watching these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and also follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. I will see you next time. Bye, haulers.